everyone, happy Tuesday. So today I wanted to bring you a workflow example on how to create an autoresponder. So when you create a workflow trigger and we choose customer replied, we can add a filter that is replied channel, and then you have call, chat widget, email, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Messaging, Instagram DM, and text message. So for each of these different pathways, you can create an autoresponder off of that. So let's say that someone Facebook messages us. We can then Facebook message them back by doing Messenger, and then you can type your message back. So let's say, hey, thank you for messaging. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So you could create a message like that. You could create a, hey, like, email me at this email to get a faster response, whatever you want to say back. But then you're having an auto reply send, so that if you miss that lead or you don't see that message come in right away, it will then message them back so you're not losing that lead. Then you can have an internal notification sent to you any way that you would prefer, saying, hey, this person sent a message in, make sure that you reply to them, and then you're getting notified as well when that person messages in. You could also tag them, go off of anything off of that. You could also do if-else steps. Let's say that if they are tagged a client, that you want to send a different message than if they're not a client. For example, I'm just going to save that there. We have gotta find it, missed call text back that says if the reply channel, the call direction is incoming and it's not answered and it's a certain phone number, that it will say, are they a client, yes or no? If yes, we are sending one text message saying, hey, make sure you reach out to support if you need support. But if they're not, then we're just saying, how can we help you? Because they're not a client, so they're not going to want to email support for a simple question. So you can do different things like that, where you're actually saying, okay, if they're tagged one way, or if they have a certain custom field, whatever you want to if else off of, then you can send different messages based off of that. And you can do this for any of those channels. So Facebook Messenger, Google Messenger, Instagram DM, call, text, any of that. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out to support@cultivatingSales.com or use the live chat from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. CST.